There's the iconic smokestack from the ancient silver mines. And here's the same tower from the top of the hill. It's the second to last day of August, and it's only about 7:15 in the morning. The whole village is asleep. Here come some friends. It's scary when they chase you, but I know those two. I just got a call from the fridge delivery people, and they're gonna come super early. So it looks like I'll be able to get the midday boat back in time to do something this afternoon on kale. Well, I didn't actually expect anything different. This is still just hanging here. Spitaki. Whew. Wow, it's hot in here. Damn. Oh, God, it's so hot in here. Open some windows. Cool down. So I'm only here for a few hours. I'm running the hot water, which as you can see is actually coming out boiling. Check that out. Because I was told by the guys that installed the solar hot water that it needs to run, that if it goes for too many weeks without being used, it can like self-destruct, implode. I don't know what happens. So one of the two beautiful brass beds I would like to bring here. The idea is to put it in storage, but rather than put it in storage in a dirty place where the acorns are going to be, I'd rather store it here. And then, you know, if anybody in the family that owns it wants it, I just bring it right back. So I'm trying to figure out which one to take. Should I take the white one or should I take the more ornate one that is in the guest room? There is a difference in width. The one that I'm sleeping on now, the white one, is only 120 wide and the other one's 140. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm measuring here now and just gonna make my mind up which one I think would look better. I can make it like a couch. Good. Well, that was a very informative little exercise there. I really couldn't picture it from there. But now I can completely picture it, and I really like it. I really like it. Yeah, headboard here, lower side here, fifth mattress that I just bought. It's about the same height as the, it's lower. Perfect, just perfect. So this room is finished. Wow. Wow, it's a little bit of a step up from the green one. That's for sure. Very nice. Wow. Oh, I see. This is the freezer. Wow. I did not think it was that big from the photo. Which is really good because now that I go back and forth between two houses, I tend to cook here and freeze portions and bring with me there where I don't really feel like cooking so much. Having the big freezer is going to be really helpful. Each one of these is about the size of 2 shoe boxes, 2 sneaker boxes. Let's try this one. What? It's huge. It's like 50 liters. Wow. This is amazing. I'm very happy with it. Well, when I get it plugged in, I can shove it up against the corner. In the meantime, I have to get rid of all the garbage and then make the ferry, the midday ferry. I think all things considered, this fridge goes pretty well in this space. It's got kind of an industrial look to it. And, you know, white fridge would have looked terrible. This one's sort of half black and half inox. Let me know what you think. What would you have done? This is the oldest ferry boat on the Greek seas. You can look it up, the Makedon. It was made in Japan and worked there for like a quarter century. And then it worked somewhere else for a quarter century. And now it's been working here for about a quarter century. Crazy. Maybe I'm exaggerating. I think it was built in the 70s, but it's pretty damn old. And there's the other one that services Kiev. So in a couple hours, I have a boat leaving from there and going around the south side of Kea over to Karthea. Now we're on the northwest side. I rode my bike to pick up the car. I ran with the car up to feed the cat. And I drove like crazy and got to pieces in time for my 3 o'clock ticket to go around the whole south of the island to the site of Karthea. temples are up there, and the theater is down here.
Το λεξικό που φτιάχνουμε, το λίκνο στον τάφο, σιωπή και ούτε μια λέξη για να την εκφράσει. Τίποτα δεν θα βγαίνει από το ανοιχτό στόμα. Ούτε το εγώ, ούτε το εμένα. Η γλώσσα θα συνεχίσει να μεταμορφώνει τον κόσμο σε λέξεις. Στις κουβέντες γύρω από ένα γιορτινό τραπέζι θα είμαστε απλώς ένα όνομα.
Τα 10 είναι μαζί και τα 2 τα κορίτσια.
Μάγια της ζωής πλέον.
Τι είπατε?
Από εδώ εσείς, αλλά να...
That was amazing. The actual play was incomprehensible to me. I mean, I got it, but I didn't. But it didn't matter because the atmosphere was so amazing. I didn't expect the boat ride to be so fun and so extreme, and I am so glad that I came back with the first round of boats because I would not have wanted to do that trip in the dark. No way.